What up, y'all? It's your boy DK from VA. New camera, new screen, you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all can see me a little clear. Y'all can see a little bump on the lip. Yeah, today we're gonna go clean up Goldilocks from the aftermath of the storm. I'm gonna take y'all along with me, you know what I'm saying? Try new things, go wash the car. Actually, that's an old thing, but you know, I'm just gonna take y'all along for the whole ride. I'm gonna try to set up this thing in the car, but yeah. Y'all stay tuned.
CJE the top shot, are we on? CJE the top shot, are we on? CJE the top shot, whoa, 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 whoa. CJE the top shot, are we on? CJE the top shot, are we on? CJE the top shot. Congratulations to my daddy, happy you finally made it. Remember we was in the crib together when it got raided. Then you got rich and you changed, the only thing that I hated. I just be speaking on this shit that's on my mind when I'm fading. And yeah, I love the street life, but starting to hate it. I wonder what it would be like if I graduated. My mama told me do it right, man, I should've waited. I put my heart into the streets, a nigga wasn't patient. Got a dead soul, tryna live life, but this shit been moving slow. Don't know where to go, I've been on the road 24/7 tryna get to the door. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But that shit turned me to a man, so I ain't mad at all. Ain't no decisions in this shit, I knew I had a ball. Ain't fucking with these bitches, I already had them all. Too focused on my future like I'm busting Adderall in a foreign. Teacher thought I was a fool, now a nigga touring. Bitch, I dropped up out of school, cause that shit was boring. They ain't gon' teach you how to move when the weather's storming. Devil tryna get me, but ain't nobody scoring. Don't be on the internet dissing and misinforming. Pop out with my glizzy, we stretching shit in the morning. Knocked him out his body with hollows, we left him pouring, yeah. Cause bitch, I live that life of a hard knock, yeah. I try to do what's right, but they want my neck. Ain't no point in living life, you ain't got respect. I just hope the future bright when I earn my check. Got a dead soul, tryna live life, but this shit been moving slow. Don't know where to go, I've been on the road 24/7 tryna get to the door. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.